Hello, this is Chad Malloy with Lake Norman MarineMax. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2022 Sunliner 250 Sport powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. As you enter the front of the boat, you have seating on both sides, double stitched upholstery, cup holders with phone chargers on each side. Walk towards the center of the boat, you have two captain's chairs, raised backs. If we look at the helm, you have a Simrad system, upgraded JL audio, all your nav, accessory, and master power switches. We walk towards the back, two JL audio speakers, a lounging chair, you have fender holders on both sides, swim ladder, and a tubing pull bar. If you are interested in this, again, my name is Chad Malloy. Give me a call at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thank you.